Before a commission statement can be imported, a carrier map must be added. The carrier map defines which fields from the commission statement are imported into the system. Each field in the map must be linked to the correct column from the commission statement. Once a carrier map is created and saved, it can be reused for future commission statements from the same carrier. If a carrier changes the format of their commission statement, a new map must be created. When commissions are imported and no matching policy exists, the application can create a new policy using information from the carrier map and the commission statement. For this reason, it is important to map as many fields as possible. To add a map, go to the main menu and click Commissions. Click the map icon. Click Add Map. Click the Browse button and find your commission statement or drag and drop your file into the box. Select a carrier. Enter a name for the map. Enter the tab number that contains the commission data. Some statements contain multiple tabs, so be sure to select the tab with the commission amounts. In this example, the commission data is located on the first tab. Enter the header row number. This is the row that contains the column headers used to create the map. Enter the row number that contains the first row of commission data. Some statements include agent or summary information at the top of the file. This information should be ignored. Click Next. Auto Update is a feature that automatically updates certain policy information when a commission statement is imported. This feature can be turned off here or at any time by editing the carrier map. If the Auto Update feature is turned off, policies can still be updated on an as-needed basis after commissions have been imported and during the posting process. Click Next. Drag the fields from your file into the Mapped Fields column. Fields highlighted in red are required. The policy number is the primary field used to match commissions from a statement to a policy. The paid date represents the date a commission was paid. If your statement does not include a paid date column, select this option. When a commission statement is imported, the date entered for the statement will be applied as the paid date for all commissions in that statement. Commission paid number 1 represents the total commission amount paid. If the statement includes multiple commission amount columns that are not already totaled, use commission paid 2 and commission paid 3 to map the additional columns. The system will automatically add all mapped commission columns together to calculate the total commission paid. Client type represents the type of client the commission is paid on, such as individual, group, or worksite. More than one client type can be selected if the commission statement includes multiple client types. Comp plan type represents the type of commission paid on the policy. Available options include percentage of premium, Medicare, fee, target premium, and graded. More than one comp plan type can be selected if the commission statement includes multiple commission types. Enter the column name that contains the client's full name. If the client name is already split into separate first name and last name columns, leave this field blank. If the client name appears in a single column, select the appropriate client name format from the drop-down. If the name is split into separate first and last name columns, leave this field blank. Enter the column name for the product. This field is required when matching commissions to riders. Commissionable premium is the amount of premium paid by the customer. Commission rate is the percentage applied to the premium to calculate the commission. Revenue type represents the type of commission paid on the policy. This field is required for matching overrides and bonuses. Enter the column name for the writing agent, if available. If the agent name is split into separate first and last name columns, leave this field blank. If the writing agent name is in a single column, select the appropriate agent name format. If the name is split into separate first and last name columns, leave this field blank. If the agent first name is in its own column, enter that column name here. If the agent last name is in its own column, enter that column name here. Enter the column name for the writing agent ID if available. Effective date represents the start date of the policy. If the statement includes commissions for multiple carriers, enter the carrier column name. Otherwise, leave this field blank. These types of statements are commonly provided by an upline agency or FMO. If multiple carriers is selected as the carrier, this field is required. Enter the column name for the term date, if available. Enter the column name for the number of lives, if available. Click Preview. Review the information to confirm it is correct. Click Save Map and return to add another map. Click Save Map and Import to import the statement used to create the map. Once a map is saved, it cannot be edited. Only the Auto Update setting can be changed. If a carrier changes the layout of their commission statement, a new map must be created. Click Continue. A carrier map is required for each carrier's commission statement. Once created, the map can be reused for future statements from the same carrier. Continue to Step 4, which explains how to import a carrier statement using an existing map. Step 4 also covers how to add commissions manually to a policy and how to use the generic import template for commission statements that cannot be mapped.